Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. What's your plan for Valentine's Day? You know Valentine's Day is coming soon, so I wanna help you how to style for your date. I wanna show you romantic and girlish style, and also sexy and chic style, also cute and casual style. So let me show you one by one. I got some items from YesStyle, so I gonna share with you. If you like it, I gonna put link down below so you can see from description box. So yeah, let me start one by one. When you have date night with your hubby or boyfriend, you are thinking like, should I wear dressy or cute or casual? There are so many different kinds of style you can try. First item I want to show you for kind of romantic look is Mary Jane shoe. Let me show you. This shoe I got from YesStyle. They have so many different kind of Mary Jane shoe. You know, like the Mary Jane shoe you can buy from any other brand, but they have really good price, and then I tried it on and it was really comfortable. I will show you how to match this Mary Jane shoe to complete Valentine's Day's romantic look. I got socks to match with this Mary Jane shoe from Sandro. So let me show you. So I got 4 different kind of color and pattern socks from Sandro. Sandro has a lot of loafer, but it's like almost $400-$500. So compared to that, they don't have a Mary Jane shoe. You can match with this Mary Jane shoe with socks from Sandro. So pretty. So these 2 color from Sandro, I wanted to wear more casual style with a loafer, and these 2 pattern and color is more feminine style, perfect for a girlish and feminine look. I'm gonna match this Mary Jane shoe with feminine blouse and skirt set from YesStyle. The price was amazing as well, less than 100 as a set. So I got this set from YesStyle. Blouse have like so cute frill, so girlish, and you can make a ribbon. It's more girlish style. I love it. What do you think? You can match this blouse with any jean. Also, you can match with like long coat to look a little bit more feminine, or you can also wear a blazer. And with this set, blouse and skirt, you can match with this beret, so girlish and romantic. With this style, I think loafer with any of these socks will be so cute and girlish. So it's gonna complete the look. Yeah, I love it. And next style, I would try something chic, sexy style as well. This one I got from YesStyle, and as you can see, it has a mesh material for the sleeve. It's like off-shoulder mini dress with mesh material sleeve. Since this dress has 2 different material, if you wear like earring, ring and necklace together, it's gonna be too much. So I would just wear 1 earring like this. I got this earring from Ettika with this ring, resin pink ring, and these 2 rings from Christian Dior long time ago I got. It complete romantic date look. So I would wear just ring and maybe earring, a little bit bold earring, so that you can show off shoulder. Like you don't need necklace for this kind of style. With this dress, kind of romantic style, heart shape earring. I love this. You can match this dress with this Mary Jane shoe again. This can be kind of a sexy style, but with this shoe, it can be more girlish style. But if you match with different kind of a sandal, high heel sandal, it's gonna be more sexy style. You can show different style with the same outfit, with just different shoe. So next style I wanna show you is actually this one. So this one is also from YesStyle. It's not too thick, so it's light and not too thick material, so you can wear till before summer. As you can see, there are so many different color, kind of like pastel tone, like pink or green, different colors. So it gives kind of romantic vibe for Valentine's Day. Since it's kind of pastel tone, light color, but it has a more pink color, you can match kind of light color jean or white skirt. So you can match with anything like kind of spring color bottom. So I would match with this kind of jean from J. Crew. It's perfect match like this. Yeah, casual style, but still romantic. Yeah, so you can match with any jean, kind of light color would fit for spring season, or just white skirt. This is from Sandro. And when you wear skirt, you can match with Mary Jane shoe. Then it's gonna be kind of casual. The top part is casual, but like bottom part is kind of feminine style. So how was it? So these 3 style I wanted to show you. There are so many different styles as well, but like basically either you can try like feminine dress or black mini dress with a like fur jacket, or yeah, you can try casual style with kind of cute sweatshirt or sweater. And Also, you can try romantic style with a blouse with frill, skirt, and Mary Jane shoe with a beret. That'll be perfect look for your date night. So yeah, hope this helped. And next time I'm gonna talk about Chanel new season, which is already, I think, released season. Yeah. So see you soon in another video. Hope you enjoyed my video today and see you soon. Bye.